Alright guys, it's your fluffy bearded man here. We lost power. It's completely dark. We don't know what happened.
I think it was high wind, honestly. It happened earlier too, during dinner.
This is all nice and frozen. That's nice.
No, before dinner it happened. But it wasn't this long.
I'm sliding. No, I'm not.
Like the ground looked iced a bit.
It did. Let's go figure out what we're dealing with. First things first, don't go out when there's a power outage. Lines are still right there. You can see those lines just fine. Yeah, those look fine. 1, 2. The tree branch could have. Oh no. It could have even just skimmed it. Like, seriously.
Well, that pole looks a little off right there.
No, it looks okay.
Looks like it's sticking out a bit.
No, looks fine. I bet it's on the corner again, isn't it? Because we're the only ones that look like we're without power. I don't see no lines down. Got my high beams on. You guys can see some.
I mean, the lines look like they're alright so far, from what I can see.
Truck's vibrating. Those look crashed there. Are they dark? I thought they had power.
Could be just a generator or something.
Remember, go
looks
slow.
like they're dark.
It does look like they're dark, don't it? No, they got lights on over here. What the heck?
Yeah, but the apartment building doesn't really have lights.
Do I have my light in here?
No, I don't think you do.
I don't think I ever brought it back inside. Gosh darn it. I don't know where I went to. Wait, look on. Oh, darn it, I don't have it.
I don't know where it is.
Maybe they're on generators. I don't know.
That's what I'm imagining, because look, the apartments
There's
on the
a
left
big
are
tree
dark.
branch right there that could have fell. That could have tripped the wire. Oh, there it is!
Oh,
That's it right there.
kidding.
That's got to be it. Well, it looks like I can turn around the parking lot or the driveway. I don't see no wires down there. Oh yeah, right there. Those live wires.
Yeah.
Or they were live. Might be live. That's my type of I'm okay. So there's the problem.
Yeah.
So there we go, guys. We found out why we lost power. So I guess it's gonna be, who knows? It might have hit up else along the line too, but
Yeah.
we'll go check out the block. I'm gonna bother shifting in a second. We're just gonna go slow. And that tree branch definitely was a thick one. So chances are I hit the line before I came down because the lines are all jumbled up over there. Gotta go slow. There shouldn't be any lines down this way. I don't see anything so far. It looks okay. Yep, they're still up there. Oh, they got the generator on up here probably. And then there should be a section where it ends. I wonder if Ross Road went out. The landlord's got his generator on. Oh, that's friggin' blowing.
I'm kidding.
And the lines end over here, so I could probably punch it if I really wanted to, but meh. I don't see the landlord.
No, he's inside, probably. I don't know.
Probably is. Why would he have his...
The lights are solar.
Oh, yeah, they are.
So they would be automatic, I'd assume.
Well, I don't know where he is. Maybe he went out driving, too. Let's see what we are dealing with here. Very vibrating. Those look like they're up there. I don't see no lines coming down. I don't see no cars coming. Alright, I think we're clear.
This road is actually quite popular for having like branches and crap fall onto the lines.
It is really popular. I've worked on this road when I used to work for AWP.
And I've seen a lot of this with the landlord.
Yeah, I've seen it too. I'm kind of surprised if this road doesn't have a tree on it. I'm going to be shocked, to be honest. Because I think this one would have a tree on it. Oh yeah, look at that. There's a branch, but I don't see no lines now.
I don't see any lines because we definitely see them.
Whatever you do when you're doing this, don't get out of your vehicle. So you don't know if there is a line or isn't. My seat's wet. That's great.
Well, you don't really have a window.
Over here is usually where it goes out.
Typically.
I don't see anything that looks too bad.
I don't really see anything, no.
I don't see anything either. And that's branch in the road, small, tiny one. Not gonna kill it.
Tiny one.
Over here is really a bad area. This is where it went down last time, or a few times it went down over here. I'm looking alright. I don't see any cars out. Landlord could be out somewhere though. I didn't see his car. Nope, we got a car.
Oh, it's a cop.
Yep. He's probably gonna head towards our road. His lights weren't flashing, so. Be smart if he turned people around at the driveway again. Because I'd imagine that's what he's gonna do. I don't see anything on this road. This road looks okay. Hopefully their RCs are inside. I see some big snowflakes falling. Gotta make sure there's no cars coming. Don't see anything either way. They're out of power too. It wasn't just us.
Dang.
I'm turning around.
Well, yeah.
Make sure you have your furries on. Make sure you have power steering. Go slow in case we hit anything. I don't mean actual, like an actual item. I mean like a line. But you really don't want to hit those, so double, triple check, whatever you have to do. Make sure you don't hit them. Because I've seen another coworker run them over before, and it's not a pretty sight.
Oof.
Oh yeah, I tried honking at them too, and they didn't do anything. That really doesn't do much. Oh, this car. No, that's just their house light. That does do a little bit, but their fog lights are kind of OP, I guess. OP. What is this, a video game?
Yeah.
So this way was clear, but just because of what happened earlier, you don't want to go rushing off down the road, because what's there 1 second might be down the next.
Yeah, exactly.
But that was pretty interesting to see. I'm gonna go see if that officer is sitting next to our driveway directing traffic. Oh, there's a branch. No, yeah, that's hanging. A branch is hanging on there. But that's just a little baby one. So we'll have to see how quickly they actually get the trucks. You definitely don't want to drive through the field though. So hopefully they're not in the driveway, but I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of outages. Kind of sucks because that probably would have been overtime too.
Probably, yeah.
Whatever, I didn't have a truck, it wouldn't have made any difference to me. The gates are closed. Don't go into the gates when they're closed. Just an idea. Alright, I think we're okay. Getting a little bit of speed there. I so badly want to get out and move that, but it's not hurting anything.
No, it isn't.
And if somebody comes up speeding on it, then that's their own fault.
Yep.
I mean, it would suck, but
Alright, let's see, will the cop be down here?
we'll find out in a second. I might move that little playhouse, though. Because, I mean, that is our neighbor.
Yeah, kinda. Not really. We don't really know him.
We don't know him, but it's nice to be polite. Moon's out. That's a very pretty moon. I guess the storms are over, but there's a chance the wind could still pick up. And right now, we got no power lines until we get past the first house, which is the landlord's house. Oh, look at that. How do we want to get out of my truck? Oh, it's friggin' pushing on the window. I can feel it coming in. So, guys, the conclusion is we had a big tree branch come down. His house is on solar proof. Actually, no, his house shouldn't have anything, really. So he might be on the... Oh, there's his car. He just...
Oh, he's right there.
Yeah. That's... Shut up. That's... So I just got done talking to my landlord there. Oh my goodness, that house is getting blown down the road, I think. I don't know. I'm not getting out.
No.
The landlord's following us.
Oh, he is?
Yep.
What for?
I think he's gonna go to the other neighbor's house to make sure her generator's on.
Oh, yeah, right, I forgot.
Yeah, he is a nice guy.
Very.
I don't see no friggin' police lights.
Aww.
I don't think he is. He is.
No, we'd see his lights on. Be a gigantic indicator.
Yeah, it would be. We'll go look at the barn before we call it. Yeah.
Well, we could just walk to the barn.
No, because they're not going to be able to see it.
Oh, I thought just me and you were going to see it.
No, we're going to go. I'll show them.
But yeah, tonight, maybe the night that the barn finally comes down.
I don't know. I mean, it's really bad, but there's a chance it could still stay. I mean, we left a little bit. There could have been something that happened, but the one's pushing extremely... Nope, still there. Doors are still shut. But yeah, this thing's gonna fall down too. Oh, landlord's backing up. He's going the other way. Huh. Corner doesn't...
Looks like it's down more.
It's possible.
Yeah, look closer towards us on the right. It's out more, but...
Maybe.
I can see it.
But I mean, it did come out a good bit the other day. Or not other day, the other storm.
Fair enough.
Actually, no, that wall does look like it is moved a little more.
Yeah.
But it moved a little bit the other time too. So that is a possibility that could be coming down.
I think it might be.
Let's back out. So anyways, guys, gonna call it there for the video. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all stay safe during the storm if you're on the East Coast. And on that note, peace.